Yo, this is Ram team again. Today I'm coming up with another mod. So I got these 20mm spacers with extended bolts. Fucking wasps attacking me now. Motherfucker. Right. Here's back again. Fucking. Fuck this one. Right, so we have 20mm spacers, extended bolts to fit it. And they're hoop centric as well. So we're gonna need two of these. Originally I got original ones. I mean brand new ones, but they came in the wrong size, so I had to send them back, and then these came up as used ones for half the price, so I just took them. So we're gonna need something to open the wheels, and some copper grease so they don't stick to the hub, then some brush wire to clean the surface, and of course a lift. As you can see, the front is not that bad at all. I could put a 10mm max. For now I'm gonna leave it. Hopefully better, as you can see. The wheel just literally disappears. So I'm gonna put 20mm and see how far it comes out. You can barely see it. See, that's a huge gap. Back in the hand.
Just pretending. Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking, living the highs and lows.
Our spacer. We'll try it on real quick. See if it fits. Oh, it's gonna be a stiff one. Okay, I'll do the cleaning first. See the original bolts and the extended ones, almost twice as long. So it fits properly and holds it really nice. Let's get it, put it on. Okay. Yep, fits the holes. And just throw this in. Excellent. Yep. We'll grease it up now. Throw some grease on that and leave it under for good. You can get it off. Now, get the grease. Put the shit up. Put a hole in there. Now, just put it on your finger. All over the back of it. Actually, just throw on that first. Quick hammer. Now, spread the shit all over the place. There's one. Just a little bit. Stick the shit on. Make sure you align it good first. Stick it on. You have flat. Put the wheel on. There. Throw the wheel on now. Need to stay. Alright, full. Now line up the holes again. Spacers on. Gonna do the other side and then lower the car and then tighten the bolts properly and then see the results.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows, I'm keeping busy.
245 by 40 and radius 18.
Would you stay with me if the world was ending? If the world was ending. It's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean waves. I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away. Are we falling deep or are we just pretending? Would you stay with me if the...
Should be way wider. We'll see, have to lower it first. Oh shit, this thing is stuck in there, bro. Oh wow. Oh fucking hell.
10 seconds later.
World was ending. Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
It's gonna get a bit lower now because it was on the jack. He has to settle for a bit, so the frame is gonna drop to here somewhere. Now I can see the wheel even from here. Man, this glass. This wheel, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Could put a 10 mil spacer on this, but I don't think I need it. I think this is good. This is just class, man. Look at it. Holy shit. So I'm out here for a test drive. See how the spacers feel, if the wheel is sitting okay, if it's wobbling or anything. It feels really good. So fucking delighted. You can see the airbags are still drying out. But it's not leaking anymore at least, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the results after that now.